And look, and then you lamon it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello guys, good morning. Hindi ako naligo pero hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Nag-ano lang ako, naghugas ng dito. Pero hindi binasa yung buhok. Kasi alam nyo na basa-basa yung buhok. Hindi ako nagbra kasi ko gusto kong komportable yung buhay. Hindi na ako nagbra. Nakapagod magbra. Sakit sa ano? Sakit dito, oh. Kapag mag-bra ka, sakit dito. So, kaya yun. Ano na lang ako mag-edit. Mag-harvest ako konti ng litos ko. Ang daming litos ko, guys. As in talaga, ang dami. Ang dami yung litos. Harvest ko yun. Kakainin ko siya lunch. Kasi, and also, pinutulan ko yung kuko ni Misty. Pinutulan ko yung kuko ni Roxy. Si Roxy is mahirap putulan ng kuko, guys. Grabe kasi igwas ng igwas talaga siya. Parang ayaw talaga niya. Ayaw niyang magpaputol ng kuko. Hinawakan siya ni Tammy. And doon, igwas pa rin nag-igwas. Ang kinain ko naman is rice this morning with yung corned beef. Yun yung ulam kanina. So, what we're gonna do today? Nothing. We're just gonna stay here. And nothing. Sit. And play. Tignan natin anong ginawa ni Mister. Lumabas. I think nanigarilyo yun. Tignan niya. May plano na naman. Diba? Our yard hand is getting really bad. I thought okay lang yun. Pero look what happened. This is crazy. Yung yellow. Tignan. May planong masama na naman. What are you planning, love? Are you planning to buy some? You have only to get like 2 of them or 3.
Yeah.
3 only.
They're all problems, they're all right.
Okay. Tignan yung yard namin. I thought the yard will be okay, pero I need to spray. Magmukbang tayo, guys. Parang Korean style po ito. But ang gamitin ko is pork at rice and then yung salad. Cucumber, sa labas tayo. And guys, mag-harvest tayo ng litos. Hala, it's freezing outside here. Oh, may birdies pala doon. Harvest tayo. Harvest. Yung pinaka old na dahon. Pinaka old. Ayan. Very small ito. Siya. Ito. And hugasan natin siya, guys. Look how nice it is, honey. There's a lot of leaves in there, hon. Look how nice it is, though, baby. 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 Happy? Do you want? You can try the one that I like. We have a lot of this, hon. This is good for salad, right? Ito yung ano natin, guys. Parang, yun ito. Ito lang, parang simple lang. At saka yung adobo, paksiw. Saka yung gulay. Look. Look how nice is the gulay, guys. Ito yung food natin. First time ko itong matry ba? First time ko itong matry. Ito, try natin, ha? May tubig pa yung ano natin, salad. Okay, try natin, ha. Lagyan natin ng kaunting rice. Yan, kaunting rice lang. Kaunting rice. And ito. Konti nito. And then, soy. At saka ito. Look. Han, look at this, honey. Korean style, han. Look, look. Honey, look. And then, you lang muna. Ah,
So I didn't get it in!
It's good, one. You put only very little of this, and one of this. And you want? I'm gonna let you try, okay? This is pork. Skin. A little bit of rice only because the vegetables is the main thing here. And this onion and this, and then you eat it all together like a Korean thing. Eat it all, eat it all. It's Korean do this, and they do this, but they put kimchi, they put like wasabi, they put The dog are digging. They're digging, oh. Liam.
What? Oh, it's Liam.
So, guys, nag-gardening ako, guys. Hopefully, this is good news, ha? Kasi, iwan ko basta hopefully. Hopefully, this is good news. We get a mail. So, to open natin, ha? Hopefully, this is good news.
That's my guess what it is.
Sam is here with me.
I'm telling you, I think it is, that's all. It could be a green card.
Oh my god. This is it, guys. I got my another 10-year green card. I got it. I got it. I blurred. I got it, guys. Now I'm available. Yes, nandito na, guys. Yay! Tommy, if Tommy doesn't send the thing, right, honey? Right, hon?
Yep.
He decided to send it.
Because I can't wait for them to get their act together.
Yeah, the internet was very slow.
No, it wouldn't take it. The
Yeah.
internet worked fine up until you submit documents and then it wouldn't submit them.
Yeah, yes, we got it. I have another 10-year green card. I'm 12 years already over here, guys, because I have 2 years already green card, and then after 2 years you have 10 years. They give you 10 years after 2 years. Oh yes, we got a good news today. Natanggap na natin, guys. Hindi ko akalain na after naka-receive ako ng email from, I think that was last week. Naka-receive ako ng email last week from them na sabi nila review. Okay? And then after sabi ng review, sabi pa the next steps is hintayin ko kasi dito nila ipadala kung saan ko provide yung address. Yon. So, kaya yun. So, yun guys, natanggap na natin. I'm so happy. Now we have a card. Okay, hold on guys. Binigyan kanila ng din, parang envelope something na doon mo ilagay yung card. So, ilagay natin yung card dito. Yun. Yan. So, yun siya. That's a good news. That's a good news, Han, right? It's a good news, see. Ang saya. I mean, alam ko naman, parang natatakot lang ako noon talagang hindi agad na process nila. Yun. Doon ako natatakot, and then nag-ask sila again nag-ask sila ng another information. This is expired. This is a different card. This is the expired one. Now, the other card is nicer compared to the old one. So, yeah. So, ilagay natin siya sa para safe. And ito is old. Ngayong araw pala guys is wala kami masyadong ganap, hindi okay yung pakiramdam ni asawa. Ang ginawa ko lang is nag-edit, nagtubig sa garden, and may plano pa ako yung mango kasi tumubo na siya. I-transfer ko siya sa ibang container, sa malaking container, yun yung plano ko. And Dimples like the bed. Dimples like the bed. So anyway guys, so yun siya guys. Ay, wala na akong problema. Ang problema na lang is yung driver's license. Natural naman yan kasi yung driver's license kasi walang choice kasi close sila, 'di ba? Close lahat, so hindi mo ma-renew. Yun na lang yung ko, and then wala nang problema. Next steps is na lang, gusto ko nang mag-citizen. Gusto ko nang mag-process. Dapat noon pa talaga ako guys, maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung bakit ako hindi nag-apply ng citizenship. Alam ko naman na noon pa talaga ako dapat nag-apply, pero parang ayaw ko pa talaga. Parang sabi ko, mag-study na naman ng mga history, ganun. And then parang ayaw ko rin talaga pa. So bakit naman 10 years, meron naman akong green card. Hindi naman ako illegal dito, so okay naman. Pero this time, bago tayo abutin ng 2030 na year, mag-apply tayo ng citizenship. Yun. So, yun yung ko. Studyhan natin yung history. So, yun. Labas lang ako, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys. I'm going to transfer the mango. Kasi yung mango, gumagano na talaga, guys. So, gumagano na talaga siya. So, yun. I-transfer natin siya malaking container. And then, kapag lumaki na siya talaga, i-transfer na naman natin sa malaking container, ganon. And the next steps is ilagay sa loob ng bahay pag winter. Yun siya. Hopefully, mabubuhay talaga siya, guys. Lalo't pag walang araw, iuban ko na lang. I will see you later. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung matransfer ko na.